Hello everybody and welcome back. Have you ever been in a situation where you've been in a meeting or in a classroom and you've been writing on the whiteboard and putting all sorts of diagrams and all sorts of text up there? And then you go to erase it because you have to work on another idea and everybody's whipping out their phones and taking pictures and they want to make sure that they don't miss that information? Well, there's actually an app by Microsoft called Office Lens, which does a fantastic job of not only taking a picture of that whiteboard or a document or a business card or even another photo, but especially the whiteboard, where it will take a picture of the whiteboard even at an offsetting angle. And then what it will do is it'll reorganize it so that it looks really good. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Microsoft Lens is a free download from the App Store. I'll just click on Microsoft Lens and you'll notice I have a book here that just happened to have a book right here. So I can capture a document. So I'll just open up to a page here. And let's go ahead and I'll take a shot of this document. And then I can clean it up a little bit. I can just use these little tabs here to get the exact portion of the document that I want. I'll confirm that. And there's my document. I can then go in and put a filter on here, turn it to black and white. And well, Microsoft Lens doesn't have OCR, optical character recognition, built into it. By turning it into a black and white document like this, if I do bring it through another program that does have OCR, this is going to make it a lot easier. But you can do a lot more. I can go in and I can crop, I can put filters, I can rotate. I can actually go in and I can ink a certain section here. So let's say, for example, I want to put a box around here and I want to highlight that particular passage. I can confirm that. Other options that I have is I could add text on there. So I could say, remember this, and then I can move that text around. Let's click on there. I can move this text around wherever I want it to be. Okay, so if I don't want to, maybe I just want to remember this, so I'll just put it right there. Then I could crop it maybe, and you can change the cropping. Notice that it takes off my stuff that I've done when I crop it, but if I go back, it remains. When I say done, then I have a lot of options. I can put this into my photo library, turn it into a PDF, add it to a OneNote document. I usually put them off to my OneDrive. So I'll push this out to my OneDrive, and then you can see that it puts the date on there, and it lets me know what's there. I can go back. A lot of times what I'll do is, for example, here's an example of my OneDrive where I go to a document that I stored up there some time ago, and it goes in here. It'll bring this document in, and there's an example of a document that I had in there. So that's pretty handy as well. Let's go back to OneDrive here, and we'll close that down. So I'm back to my camera. I can go and say I want to do a whiteboard. The whiteboard feature is very cool. So you can see I'll come in at an angle and down below, and it's going to capture that whiteboard, and I'll grab it. So now that I've taken the picture of the whiteboard, it automatically frames it for me, and when I hit confirm, it cleans it right up. So I really like the features of the whiteboard. I get all my features again, crop, rotate, text, whatever I want to do. And this is a very important whiteboard because it's telling you to like, subscribe, and share if this video was useful. So obviously I want to save that one, so I'll save that to my OneDrive as well. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that to be a useful tool. And I use it all the time. You'll notice that I have a whiteboard here in my home office, and sometimes I just like to diagram on there, take a picture of that, share that with my remote students as well, so it can work in multiple environments. It's really helpful. I also like it for capturing documents really quickly. So if you found this useful, I hope you'll hit like. I hope you'll consider subscribing for more tips. And if you have a colleague that you think could benefit, I hope you'll consider sharing the video with them. Here's some more videos for you to watch. I hope you enjoy those as well. And if you have any questions, comments, or anything that you'd like to see, go ahead and post those in the comments. Thank you once again for watching, and start taking pictures with Office Lens.